Welcome to the F2F family. Answer these questions with me. What's another name for money? What is money? What happened in 1873? It's when money was first printed. It was first backed by gold, but now it all starts within your mind. How do we feel about money? How do we think about money? And how do we shift our mind to understand what actually money is, to start investing or to start receiving our consumer rights back from them furnishing deceptive forms to make us think that we owe a debt, right? Please tell me what you think. But first, let me introduce myself. I'm a personal coach certified in financial technology by Harvard University. FinTech is the big brother of cryptocurrency, AI, machine learning, such as Bitcoin, Eths, NFTs, and CBDCs. I started my career in fitness and industry, and I've motivated thousands in the health and fitness industries over the last 5 years. The F2F family is an insider support group here to help you organically grow, engage with others, as well as hold you accountable to your mindset. Welcome.